Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale and I have an exciting box, not super exciting. It's one that's pretty much always available on the ThredUP website, but we are going to be doing the 25-piece mixed clothing box from ThredUP. Now, I have never ordered this box before, so this week is just like a whole realm of new boxes. Today, actually, the bulk boxes went on sale, so if you stock the website, then you probably picked up a 200-pound ThredUP rescue box. I picked up two. So I'm gonna be going back on Whatnot, so that's kind of my plan, is to get some bulk items so I can make some Whatnot shows. I was doing great on there back in August and September, and then kind of tapered off when stuff got super busy. Just doing it here in my house really isn't ideal, but the fingers crossed that, our lives don't, make things harder to get it done. The little house is almost ready, hopefully is almost done, and I will be able to run my Whatnot shows and things like that from there, and it won't be as hard because when you have it in your house, you have to pick everything up and get everything shipped out before everybody gets home to live there. So anyway, I've been seeing a lot of people get really good 25-piece mixed women's clothing boxes, and I wanted to see if mine was the same. So people are getting like Lululemon, they're getting like really good brands in these boxes. So let's check it out. Okay, so the first item is Cynthia Rowley size 2, 100% wool dress. So this obviously is not the TJ Maxx Cynthia Rowley. That looks like a nice tag. And yeah, 100% wool. I don't understand the appeal with wool. It's itchy to me, but okay. But this feels like it has been washed, correctly. So that's a plus. A lot of times wool gets shrunk. I know that I am so crappy at doing laundry, so I would have messed that up. This is a J. Crew dress, but I did see the bottom is a little suspect. Oh, it's just the, like this comes sewn closed and it's open now. So this is probably fine. This is an old J. Crew tag, like she old, but just a nice little office-y dress. I wonder what year this is from. Does it have one of those tags in it? Let's see. 2016, so not as old as I thought it was, but this is a really classic style, so I do think it would still sell if I chose to list it. What is this number? Another J. Crew, size 6. Cute little cami. Ooh, that's cute. Very, very cute. J. Crew stuff is such good quality. These are, oh, this is I thought it was pants. This is a denim jacket. Articles of Society denim jacket. This, we used to sell this brand at the Buckle. I'm not sure how the resale is on it, but retail, like this probably would have been 80 bucks. And the denim is extremely soft, like very soft. Let's see. Does she have a size medium? So that will for sure sell. Normally, I don't see a lot of people getting a lot of denim in these boxes because they do have the denim box. This is Tommy Hilfiger. Very old tag, size 0. White denim skirt. I don't know. I might send this back to ThredUP. They recently gave my account labels back, which is awesome. So I sent in 3 partner kits yesterday, and I will make a video on how those go. This is J. Crew again. Is this like the J. Crew box? Size 00. Those are cute. Perfect for vacation, but 00 is kind of a hard size. Anyway, we'll see. This is another J. Crew. This should be the J. Crew box. I have seen the worst J. Crew boxes. Like it all comes with Target, and then this is just the mixed clothing and it comes with all J. Crew. I don't know. Sometimes it's very inconsistent. But I do find, like, I have gotten way more better boxes than crap boxes. I think I got, before I had a YouTube channel, I got a DIY designer box that was crap. I could not sell any of it. And then I got a denim box that was crap. But since then, all of my boxes I have been able to make money on. So either I've gotten extremely lucky or they've gotten better. This is an Express size small. Little jersey knits button up. It does have some stretch to it. I don't know, I might send this back. Hopefully we get a really nice, this feels really good. Everlane. It's an Everlane, a little oversized button up, very soft cardigan. It is a size medium and 60% alpaca, 30% nylon, and 10% wool. It does look like it needs a good lint roll. Looks like it's got like dog hair all over it, but I have a dog. I probably have dog hair on me right now. This is a cabbie shirt, size small. I might also send this back if it doesn't have any stains on it. This is Ann Taylor, just a pair of Ann Taylor jeans, black jeans. What size are these? That's probably why they got put in this box, because I'm not seeing a size right now. But they're just like a plain straight leg jean. This feels really nice. It feels like silk. Of course, it is Joie, and I cannot sell Joie to save my life. It's an extra small. I just sold a Joie top that was in way better condition than this for $12 plus shipping, so not a fan of that. What is this? Oh, that's the back. That is cute. Whatever this is. Poof! Have you ever been duped by Poof and you thought it was Free People? Where is that Poof label? Here it is. Doesn't that look like a Free People tag? But it says Poof. What size is it? Extra large. I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this. Look how cute this is. It's like an open tie back sweater and it's in black. This is for sure mine. I am so glad I got something in here that I could wear. That's what I love about these boxes is I hate shopping for myself. I mean, I like it. I don't like paying retail for anything. So it's really hard for me to shop. Size 4, because I'm always looking for a deal. This is really cute. If I worked in an office, this is what I would wear. A faux leather career dress by Calvin Klein. New at the tags. $134 retail. I can probably sell this for $40 just by itself. It may take a little bit, but I'm willing to wait because that is such a great piece. This feels cool. J. Crew. This is like really cute though. This is a J. Crew little cocktail dress. Oh, love it. It is strapless. I know it looks kind of weird. I don't know. Maybe it's like asymmetrical on the top, but that is really pretty. And it is a size 2. And the inside's 100% silk. So that's really nice. What else do we have? Interesting. I have a Frida Kahlo shirt. It looks very small. It's just Frida Kahlo brand. I don't know. Extra small. It's a cute little graphic t-shirt. Probably taking that to Plato's Closet. It's probably just something that they sell at Target. What is this? Shelly. This is definitely a Plato's Closet. It's just like a mesh top. I have no idea the brand, Shelly, but it looks to be in good shape. Here is a C9 by Champion. Size small, little capri pant, seamless leggings. Classic Crew by Aeropostale. This is like what everyone wore in middle school. That is gonna probably be a donate because I'm pretty sure I see a stain on the front. It just says 1987 Aeropostale. No one wears these logo shirts anymore. But that's like one of the first times I've seen one of those in my box, so I'm not mad about it, I guess. Now these feel like nice leggings, but there's no tag, and oh, they're Fabletics. Okay, I saw the F. Fabletics. They have the ruching on the side with a pocket, just plain black leggings. These look like probably a medium. This looks fun, whatever this is. The lighting just got 10 times better. Carmen by Carmen Mark Volvo. You know, I've heard of people selling this brand, so maybe it's good. The style is definitely fun. I'm hoping that it photographs well. We'll see. This is a blazer, iceberg. It's an iceberg blazer. It's got one of these on it. Doesn't that mean it's designer? It says made in Italy. That's the tag, iceberg. Blazers don't really excite me, but this one looks good. 85% Lana virgin wool, 15% nylon, 0.2% elastane. We'll see how that does. Let's see. This is Moth. This is an Anthropologie piece. And honestly, some of these more like gaudy sweaters I've heard have done pretty well. Let me button her up, because she is a gaudy sweater. Look at that. There's like bows, there's bows on the side, and there is a big bow on the back. So I actually think that might do pretty good. Oh, what is this? Lane Bryant. Size 14, new with the tags. Retailed for $89.95. It was on sale for $70. Really nice pinstripe blazer. And it was a size 14. This is my size, but I don't wear blazers. I don't know. Not even for fun, and definitely not white. And the last item in my box is this little tank top. It is Forever 21. This feels very Y2K. I might still be able to sell this. Like maybe for $12 plus shipping, but if it wasn't Y2K style like this, probably nothing. So that is my 25-piece women's box. I'm actually very impressed. I know for a while people said, you know, if you order the 25-piece box, you're not going to have, you know, that great of luck getting good stuff. But I think they're really curating these boxes now to include better things so they do get sold and get a better reputation. But stay tuned. I am going to be doing a video. I don't think I'm going to unbox the 400 pounds of mixed women's clothing that I ordered today from ThredUP, but I might do a video on how much I can make, like maybe if I can make my investment back in a week on Whatnot. We will see. I think I'm going to auction literally everything off, no matter what it is, or no matter what I find in that box. I'm going to curate shows by size, and then I'll do like a higher end show for the nicer pieces that I find. But I really, really think that I'm not pulling anything for eBay unless I find like Chanel, but I don't think I will. But anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!